So over here I have Sony WH-XB700 which contains extra bars, Google Assistant, Alexa built in, and Google Assistant 2 with Bluetooth, wireless, and 30 hours of battery backup. It does contain extra bars, and over here some details which you can see it by passing video. And over here the box contains price and model number. The price is actually not which is written over here, and it is made for iPhone and iPods and for Android too. And over here more details are given if you want to see. So let's quickly unbox it, and over here it's unboxed, and you can see 1 and 2 which you can see the steps to configure this. These are the main attraction, the headphones, and which have nice leather ear cups for your ear for nice noise cancellation. Left and right marking is also written over there, and you can see how much spongy it is. And Sony marking is also there at the right of the headphone. At the top you will get the cushion for your head that it will not hurt you. Over here it's mic, 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C connector, power on and off button, custom button for assistance, and LED indicator. Over here volume rockers, and to receive the calls and hang up the calls, and also for pause and play the music. So over here inside the box many more contents are there. These are the menus which I do prefer you to read it once for more knowledge about the headphones. Oh yeah, this too is the guide. This is the Type A to Type-C connector, 3.5mm headphone jack to 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's it. And this is the recording of the sound of the headphones in the mobile. So this is how it sounds. So goodbye, we'll meet on the next video.